am Patricia Delgado, a 16-year-old high school student, and this is my story.
Good afternoon, everyone.
We've been together for 6 months. He was the perfect boyfriend. He was the smartest guy in our class. He is the most sweetest person, and I'll do anything for him. He always knew how to put a smile on my face. He loves me and I love him.
Ito ka na pala.
Ay, wala.
May assignment ba? Wala eh. Wala din akong alam. Okay.
He touched my knee, but I feel so uncomfortable towards him for these past few weeks.
Wait lang ah, may pupuntahan lang ako.
Wait, tara, may pupuntan tayo.
Saan?
Basta sumama ka na lang sa akin.
This is tough. Hindi ako komportable.
Uy, bakit? May problema ba?
Hindi nga ako komportable kasi marami pa akong pangarap sa buhay.
Kung ganyan na hindi naman, maghiwalay na lang tayo.
Tama ang aking desisyong ginawa dahil malaki ang responsibilidad kung ako'y papayag lang man sa kanyang nais. Life is always full of unpredictable events. You will never know the decision you will make because from one small mistake, it has a big impact and everything could change. Sa lahat ng nanonood, dapat tayong mag-ingat sa ating mga desisyong gagawin. Isipin ng libo-libong beses.
Oy, game na!
Hindi mo magsalita. Okay. Count. 1, 2, 3, go. Count. 1, 2, 3, go.
Tapos, nung pagkagat, dun mo rin.
Please stop.
Good morning yung kanina. Okay, na ako sa relasyon. Wait, tara, may pupuntahan tayo.
Saan?
Basta sumama ka na lang sa akin.
Yan.